gonna hunt to some seashells. Oh my gosh, look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh. Sarah, show the shells that you found. Oh, I found these cute 2 shells. So cute. Oh my gosh. Baba, I wanna find a jellyfish. And I'm not even joking, the birds are like infinity birds. Like, look at that. This view, I love this view. Hey buddy, I'm here at the beach and it's raining. And let's go on a hunt to some seashells. Oh my gosh, look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh. This is a rare one. I mean, oh gosh. Oh my. That's a boat. Don't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! I found this one. Oh my gosh, I can't. These are just so cute. I found so many. Good for that. Okay, so look at that. That's the beach. Let's go on a hunt for some seashells, guys. Okay. Let's go on a hunt. Okay, what is this? It's also. What is this? Oh, that's a baby crab. Look. Oh, it's pink. Is that up? What should we find? We found one, guys. Found this. Let's go search more. Mommy! What? They're dinosaurs in olden days. Ew, gross. You know that? Mommy! Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at these goggles, guys. Random goggles on the sea. Here you go. Mommy, I found these. Oh my gosh, look, so my mom found these. So rare. I found one more, guys, but I forgot to show it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Mommy! Look what I found. Mommy, look what I found. Let's go on a hunt for some more, guys. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you something. Look at this crab house.
Why do you have to put your fingers in everything?
My daddy's gross. Mommy, I found something. So I'm here at the beach. As you can see, there are big waves. Like, not like normal waves, big waves. Look at the environment over here. And I'm not even joking, the birds are like infinity birds. Like, look at that. This view, I love this view. And you know, I want to show you that I want to show you all the birds. So look at this. This looks like a painting. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the birds over here. Oh yeah. I'm just going far away from my family. Far. Look at those birds flying up there. So this, I showed you this rare rock. In one rock, there's a bunch of rocks. It's like someone glued. Let's go find more interesting stuff like that rock. Okay. Sarah, come. You wanna come? Much more interesting stuff. Want to show you? Look. go down. I'm just gonna go down. I don't wanna get wet. See those big splash. Oh my god. That's why I don't wanna go. Come, Sarah. This is my sister. Say hi. Try. Anyways, this. Oh my god, this looks so gross. I gotta go. Okay, so I wanna show. Oh, guess what I just found? Seaweed. Let's go. Certain stuff like that. We're gonna ignore the pollution. Don't worry. Let's go here. Oh. I just got. Yes. Are you gonna see more interesting stuff? Like that. Try. Okay. This is a deck. Is it a deck? Yeah, it's a deck. Look at. Let's go ahead and explore. Look at the sea. Let's go. And as you saw, and I want to show you something. Look at this rainbow. It's so cool. Let's go ahead. Let's go. Look at that bird. Look at this. What is this, Baba?
It's a migrated bird.
Oh.
Another bird.
Another bird.
Seabird is called.
It's called a seabird.
There it is.
There. Oh my gosh!
It's show.
Sat down.
Let's go. Where is that?
There. Let's go back. My hairs are floating. Baba, why did I make this? What is that?
For sailing boats. Boats are sailing here.
My small sissy comes.
Feeling cold.
Sissy?
Say hi.
Say hi. Look at that. There are more over there. Oh, no.
Birds.
Birds.
Stay here.
What? Oh, fish! Fishes! Baba, let's go! Wait. Fishes! Yeah, fishes! Baba, let's go from down.
Yeah, let's go and catch them. Here. Fishes. Come.
Baba, there's something moving inside.
What?
There's
What the hell?
What's the snail? Papa! No, money! Snails are not.
It's alive. Eat them.
Mama! Mama, hold it!
Come here, Sarah.
Mommy! Mommy, come here, quick!
Are you okay?
Mommy, I found a snail!
Went inside.
What happened?
Fine. Don't step on the shark.
White. So what?
Okay, so we found this shell.
What's in there?
I don't know, nothing. It's empty. Yeah. Sarah, show the shells that you found. Oh, I found these cute 2 shells. So cute. Let me get my. Look what I found, guys. Oh my God. Come.
Sarah. Sarah. Come.
Let me share some more shells. Mama, sunglasses. Okay. Okay, so this is under the deck area, and we saw some fishes from up there, but we're not gonna go there because it's wet. Yeah, and we'll die. So I'm scared of this stuff. Baba, come with me, please. Hi. Baba, I wanna find a jellyfish. I'm not going
Hey, you want to slip here?
I'm not going to.
Look at this beautiful
Money, get these. It looks like a fountain.
waterfall. And it's hot water.
More shells. It's clear water, right? It's so clear, Baba. Look at this food.
What's in there?
Baba, no.
I want to see what's in there.
Look in there.
Oh,
Look in there.
wow.
Look in there.
Can
Can I
I
come?
show you it's a tunnel?
Can I see?
Maybe a shark is in there.
Can I come? Can I come? Can I come? Ooh!
Let's
Can
go. Go, you go, run back. Go back.
Can I come?